आज विविधा वेलनेस आए हैं। वेल दिस इज इन नाशिक एंड वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल एंड लवली गार्डन कॉटेज टू आवरसेल्फ। चलिए मैं आप लोगों को रूम टूर दिखाती हूँ। बड़ा सा क्यूट और अमेजिंग है।
Wait, what are you wearing?
Oh, I'm wearing this outfit from Vividha Wellness. So
It's a wellness resort?
Yes, it's a wellness resort and these are the outfits that you normally wear when you go out for meditation and stuff. So ये उन लोगों से provide किया गया है and this is like a small sitting area which is so cool. बारिश का मौसम है, atmosphere is too good. Like if you see around here बाहर ही it looks so good. Let's come.
Check this out.
That.
I really love the stones
Yes.
here, you know. It's very nice.
बहुत amazing. Let me just show you the room and then let's go outside.
That's the TV,
Yeah.
that's our bed. और ये
ये
similar
कौन सा outfit है?
मेरा outfit है जो मैं
Yes.
change करूँगा. And this is her
This is
outfit.
what I'm wearing. This is like a small area where you can keep your workstation.
Well, हम लोग वैसे यहाँ डिटॉक्स करने आए हैं.
Actually,
काम तो नहीं करना होता, but still.
the best part is यहाँ पे कोई भी coffee sessions नहीं है. You have organic tea and all that stuff. So if you see, it's like coconut sugar, organic coconut sugar and stuff.
We got our schedule here.
Yes.
This is what our schedule looks like. Okay.
Let me take you inside. Come. So this is wardrobe. आप अपनी सारी चीजें यहाँ पर रख सकते हैं. This is like a huge mirror. This is a place where you can keep your camera accessories and stuff. The best part is bathroom. Come on.
Check this out.
So good.
बहुत ही amazing bathroom.
Actually, it is made so nicely.
ये एक छोटा सा आउटडोर एरिया है.
Looks
Check.
so good.
And that's the shower.
Let me take you outside. Balcony में. Where you guys can see the glass windows are fully open.
You have plenty of sunlight here. Natural light बहुत है.
Natural light बहुत
Because ये पूरा surrounding glass है.
Let me take you outside.
And this is our favorite place. बहुत amazing है. This outside area. This is like a private garden area, you know. Probably this is why it's called garden cottage.
Garden cottage, yes.
Check this out. You have this whole area to yourself, so you can come here, chill by yourself. और ये boundary walls लगी यहाँ पे. Also there are amazing lot of plantation. This is probably bamboo tree. हम लोग ने बहुत सारे देखे और यहाँ पे काफ़ी plantation ऐसे जिससे वो लोग herbs और ये सब बनाते हैं.
In the food as well.
Yes.
That's good. So this was like a small, amazing cottage that we have to ourselves. And this is in Nashik, बहुत amazing है. And the season is perfect to come here. Yes.
So we have a schedule. 12:30 to 2 is lunch.
हाँ.
और lunch के बाद we have an appointment with the doctor.
So he's
जो
an
हमें
advisor.
कंसल्ट करेगा
हाँ.
कि हमें कौन सी ट्रीटमेंट लेनी चाहिए. ट्रीटमेंट दिस इज बेसिकली a naturopathy. So let's see what he suggests
Yes.
to both of us. Now that's the pool area. You have changing rooms right here. All right, and you have some arcade games over there. You have carom boards and chess and all that things there. And there is a new gym coming over here. And this is the amazing swimming pool. Check this out. See, we are planning to get into the swimming pool. And that's our stuff. So you guys have towels here already. Check this out. She is already in the pool.
पानी बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है, but it's so cool.
पानी ठंडा इसलिए मैं नहीं जा पाया. मैं ठंडे पानी में नहीं जा सकता. Somehow she was able to go.
हाँ.
I'm giving the camera to her. Check this out.
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. वी वर एक्चुअली डूइंग सम शूट एज वेल. फोटो शूट वहाँ ट्राइपॉड है. गुगू नहीं आ रहा है. डू यू स्टिल वांट टू कम?
No, it's too cold, I can't.
He doesn't want to come in. But yes, it is so much fun. Oh my god, मुझे खुद को डर लग रहा है. I miss you, गुगू. पानी उड़ाते हैं उस पर थोड़ा मज़ा आएगा.
Finally, मैंने हिम्मत जुटा ली है and I'm going inside because भावनी ने बोला एक बार अंदर जाने के बाद इतना ठंडा नहीं लगता है. In the beginning थोड़ा ठंडा लगा but now I'm fine. Thanks to her. This is nice. बहुत ही अच्छा weather है and we're loving this pool.
Yes.
The whole pool is to ourselves.
Actually, there is no one,
There is no one.
and it's so pretty.
I know. It's really nice. Hey guys, so we are having amazing time. हम लोग अभी एक डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन से आए हैं बाहर. Unfortunately, I couldn't shoot inside. So we both of us had an individual session with the doctor. जिसने हमारी लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में जाना, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो जाना.
Yeah.
And based on that, they suggested us that which therapy or treatment should we go
Should
for.
we go for? Yes.
And if there are any lifestyle changes or food changes that we need to make.
Then they suggest you and even give you in written few things. जैसे धवल को मुझे थोड़ी चीज़ें उन्होंने बताई जो बहुत यूज़फुल होने वाली है आगे जाके. So that's
Yeah, I find it very useful.
Yeah, it was really nice to hear all those things which were new to us.
Something that we need to add to our diet,
and lifestyle. Yes.
which is gonna help us a lot.
So अभी धवल का सेशन है एक.
I'm going for the treatment now. Treatment is basically a spa here. So they have both. They have Ayurvedic spa as well as the Western spa.
हाँ.
So today I'm going for a Ayurvedic
spa. That is 60 minutes.
spa. Yes.
60 minutes.
Let's find out how that is.
And meanwhile, I am just gonna roam around by myself and go for high tea.
Yes, and I'm gonna miss the high tea.
Yes.
I'm gonna be busy in the spa.
Well, Dhaval is going for the treatment. we tried Greek salad and we tried broccoli almond soup, which was good. अभी हम लोग ने sorted vegetables with tofu, cabbage, मटर and फुल्का रोटी मंगवाई है. They have options of bajra, jawar, ragi roti as well, and I'm excited for this as well. What did he just do? You were told. इसको बोला गया था कि बाहर आके ये बंद नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज वी आर गोना गेट स्टक.
लॉक कर दिया गलती से.
और अब हम इस एरिया में स्टक हो चुके हैं. We have no one to come and open this door for us.
ये अंदर है.
We don't even have phones.
I think I'll have to shout someone. जैसे climb करके बाहर जाना पड़ेगा.
You sure?
I'm wearing a bathrobe. I don't know.
हम लोग एक्चुअली स्पा करके आए हैं अभी. So how was it?
Well, it was amazing. Well, मैंने Kerala massage लिया था. And to be honest, that was yesterday.
Okay.
But to be honest, you know, I've done a lot of spas. Okay, I have done a lot of spas, and the people here are so skilled. They are so
yeah, they're
amazing.
so amazing.
They are very skilled. Well, it's a wellness center, so
Yes.
what do you expect?
बहुत
Like
ज़्यादा
they are the
मज़ा आया.
best.
Yesterday एक
I love
session
it.
था और आज दूसरा सेशन था हमारा.
And the reason I'm sweating is because हम लोग दोनों steam लेके आए हैं.
Actually.
And that was amazing as well.
Yeah, it was 100 out of 100. Yes.
Absolutely.
So we loved it. We totally recommend this thing. Like
मैंने कल किया था Kerala massage, आज किया Balinese massage.
हाँ, I
And
did.
she went for Kiri
हाँ,
treatment yesterday.
That is like a potli
and today
massage.
she went for Abhyanga,
Yeah.
which is
so
Kerala
that's a
massage.
Kerala massage. So
That was amazing.
Yes.
And now we are stuck.
I don't know how long in this clothes. Well, we are back in this spa. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने फटाफट हम रेडी हुए, खाना खाने गए थे. खाना खाते वक्त we don't vlog much because the place is very peaceful, so I don't prefer speaking, and other people are also very silently eating their food. So that's the place. मैंने बीच में yesterday खाना दिखाया था, पर मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बात नहीं की थी. Here we are to shoot something with Instagram. Dhawal is taking some content. This is how it looks. This is so good. Hi.
Hello. So this is the stage for yoga. जहाँ मॉर्निंग में 6 o'clock को योगा होता
We
है.
missed out doing it here.
Because बारिश था, इसीलिए हम लोग डोम में गए.
In the dome.
Yes.
But then this is such a pretty place, like open air में yoga करना. And these are the gazebos. You can come here in the evening to chill. Well, eye and nose meditations भी यहाँ पे होते हैं early in the morning. आज हम लोग eye meditation के लिए eye exercise के लिए basically यहाँ पे आए थे. But then this is such a cool place to just chill here in the evening also. Well, so
ऐसे बहुत सारे गज़ीबोज़
ऐसे
हैं,
बहुत सारे.
तो किसी से झगड़ा नहीं करना पड़ेगा. मुझे बैठना है यहाँ.
True that. So nicely said.
And they have this amazing plants everywhere. It is very beautiful.
Well, हम लोग कार में बैठ चुके हैं and we are seeing of this beautiful property.
And we are definitely coming back.
Coming back. Yes, such a beautiful property. We absolutely love it and recommend it. अभी के क्या plans है?
We'll now go to Trambakeshwar temple, which is like 20 minutes from here. और
Yes.
उसके बाद हम जाएंगे घर.
घर, वापस घर.